Hello everyone, welcome to SMA Vlog. I'm Shahid. Today in this video I'm going to show how you can very easily make a delicious item for breakfast, which is paratha. Making the paratha is a traditional thing. We are having this paratha from our childhood. This is nothing new, but the technique that people use to make the paratha is very difficult. That they may need to make the dough, and after that they need to use the roller to give the dough the shape of a paratha. So here what we usually do is that we go to the market, we buy the ready paratha packet, and then we just heat it up on a frying pan, and that's it. Paratha is ready. But during this situation, when we are at home, kind of isolated, don't want to go to outside, want to save at home, at that point only going to the grocery store to buy the paratha is not an option. So what we can do is we take the multi-purpose flour and make the dough and use the roller at home. We can make the final paratha, but this is kind of a tiring job and time consuming as well. During the breakfast, after waking up from the sleep, you don't want to go for that kind of hassle, and also you don't have the paratha in your freezer. So what you will do? So in that case, I recently learned a new technique where very easily within 2-3 minutes you can make your dough and make your paratha right away. So now I will show you how you can make that dough and how you can very easily prepare the paratha without using any roller or anything else. So let's go. To make this paratha, we need to use all-purpose flour, some salt, some milk, and of course some water and some cooking oil. Now I will show you the process how we can use all these ingredients together and how easily we can make this paratha within 2 or 3 minutes. So guys, to make the paratha, first we need to take 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and then we need to add 2 tablespoons of salt. At this point I am going to add some cooking oil. I am using regular cooking oil. You can use any kind of oil, it doesn't matter, and the amount of oil will depend on your preference, but I prefer to put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now I am going to add water in it. I am adding 500 ml of water, but also it will depend on your choice. Now I will use this hand mixture to mix the dough. And be remembered that even though I added all the water together in the dough, but as I know this much water is okay for this, but if you want you can put this water slowly so that your dough will be perfect. Now at this point I am adding 1 cup of regular white milk. And again, now I have to mix it properly. the dough will be liquidy, but not that liquid. It should be little bit hard. See, like that. Now we will move to the pan. So at this point we will heat up the pan, but remember, don't put any oil in the beginning on the pan. We need to take a full spoon of dough and put that dough on the pan and shake the pan in a way so that the dough go to all the corners of the pan, and it will automatically give you the shape of a paratha. Now when the paratha is little bit hard, now you can add the cooking oil. And shake the cooking oil in a way so that it goes to all the corner of it. And you are done. Now rotate the paratha once, and again you have to rotate the paratha, and take your time to cook the paratha properly. But this process will not take more than 1 minute or 1.5 minutes for a single paratha. Of course, it will be a round paratha. Usually parathas are in square shape, but this paratha will be round. But I believe that's okay. That taste will be okay. It doesn't matter what shape you are getting it. As we are making this paratha so easily, we can compromise with the shape of it. And that's it. Your awesome delicious paratha is ready to eat. So let's enjoy together this paratha. So guys, having paratha during the breakfast, it's a pleasure, it's a feeling of joy, and I'm going to enjoy my paratha now. Thanks guys for watching this video and being with me till to the end. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, please thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also click the small bell icon so that it will notify you when I upload my next video. So guys, let me enjoy my paratha, and you guys have fun and have good breakfast. Bye bye.